today's session on Lightning Web Component. What is Lightning Component? What is difference between Lightning Web Component and Aura Component? Basics of Lightning Component, how we create the component and how we create the Hello World Web Component. Let's start with the Lightning Web Component. So basically, Lightning Web Component is a stack of modern lightweight framework built on the latest web stack. Web standards basically, if we know that in 2014 and 2019 there will be a lot of changes in the web stack. The Lightning Web Component, it uses a standard web component. So, and the B point, it is a document object point element created through reusable code and is used to generate a dynamic interface without using JavaScript or building a library. So in 2019 web standard, it uses a document object model. It creates a reusable of the code. So it's all about the JavaScript to how we use the reusable code and improve performance of the component as most of the code is recognized by the native web browser engine and web stack. So if obviously we use a modern web standard, so to increase the web performance by these web components, ability to compose application using smaller chunks of code since the crucial element that are required to create a component is part of the native web browser engine and web stack. If we in the modern web stack, we uh, we can use the reusable of the code, as you know. So if we write a smaller kind, we can generate our output with the uh, a big output to using a smaller chunk of code. Since the increase in the robustness of the application built using LWC as they are inclusive of the said modern web standard. So we can create a robust web application using a LWC. If we talk about the Aura component, we can also make a robust application, but in the LWC we can more efficiently way to create a robust application. The second topic about the what is the difference between Lightning Web Component and Aura component. If we talk about the C and C++, we have to know about the what is the difference, why we use the C++ instead of the C. As you know, C++ is a reusability of the code and classes and polymorphism, is a lot of inheritance, lot of benefits of it. So here is also the Lightning Web component. There is benefits. It uses benefited. So languages like React, Angular, and the Lightning component framework, which uses JavaScript, are now part of the modern web stack. So as you know, the in 2000 like 16, 17, 18, 19, the Angular, React are very highly used in the web web development. So friends like how we create the components, and it's a fast way to create a component and generate a UI, and we can customize the UI in better way using Lightning Web Component. So as you can see, 2014 web stack, we uses more framework and less web standard. Customization of the data is lower. As you can see here, 2019 web stack, we uses a higher web standard and lower framework. So as you can see, the web standard of 2019, web components, templates, custom elements, shadow DOM, decorators, modules, ES script is 991, events and student elements and handling. So uh, basically in the 2014 we cannot customize the elements. In the 2019 we can customize the element easily, and a lot of other benefits is also there. The problem was 2014 tech is if a developer wants to build a large scale application, they need to develop a complete rendering engine. They need to complete render the data. Uh, and the, but in the 2019 website, we cannot complete the whole rendering engine. So we can like what we want to render, so we can render the data. It does not create custom. As I told that it does not create a custom element. 2019 website, it better performance, faster loading sites, better security, better testing, and better browser. More standards, less property, easy to learn. The if we know the JavaScript, we can easily learn the Lightning Web Component. So it's all about the JavaScript. We have to learn the JavaScript to creating a Lightning Web Component. Thanks for watching this video.